This is Broadway Avenue, and we're looking at the traffic light over there is Stinson, and over here we're looking toward New Brighton Boulevard, and we're looking west, and they have the road closed because they're pulling up the railroad tracks and replacing them. So we'll just walk on over here and get a better look. Pulling up the old rails and the old ties and putting down new ones. This is the Minnesota Commercial Railroad, and they operate a small section of track that's in the state that's not a main line, but it's used to deliver tankers and things to businesses. Here you can see some of the new pieces of rail that they're going to put in. Very long. I wonder what they weigh. These are some of the old ties that they pulled up. They're rotting. Over here, we'll see a new section. Brand new ties, gravel, and then they'll fill that in too with asphalt so that the delivery trucks can cross over it easily. More machinery. And then down here is a big stack of new ties. And more old ties. Here are the new ties stacked up here.